And today's our topic is reference images. So we will see that how we can use reference image and we can edit our own pics. So without wasting time, let's start. First of all, we will click on this plus button. After clicking on it, this small pop-up will come and we will click on upload a file. When we will click on upload a file, we will choose our pic. So this time I will choose this one and now open. Here, now I will just hit enter or click. So here is our pic. So next step is that we will click on it and now right click on this pic, copy image address and copy link. Both are same. So we will click on it and now we will come here, type slash, we will click on this imagine prompt. Here we have to paste our link. So I will use Control V. I will paste here my link. So comma space. Now we will write here our prompt. As you can see that here is our prompt. You can read cyberpunk, happy girl, working with computer, the dark background of the future of the computer center behind him. So let's see that after clicking on it, what we will get the result. Now, here is our 4 images that MidJourney has given us. Open a new tab so we can see the full quality of it. So it will take a little time. Now, these are 4 variations. You can see this variation, pick 1, 2, 3, 4. If you will click V1, so it will give 4 variations of this pic. But if you will click on U1, it will give upscale version of this single pic. So V1, V2, V3, V4. If you will click any of this pic, V4, it will give you 4 variations of this pic. But if you will click on U4, it will give a single pic variation upscale. Where is U1 and V1? Here is U1, U2, U3 and U4. And same V1, V2, V3 and V4. So what I will do is that I will click on U2. So I want this pick up version. So here is that when I will click on it, there is a pic. So we will open it in a new tab here. This is our final result and you can see that how we did it. If you have any questions, you can comment me and I will try my best to reply you. I wish this video will help you to create or generate any type of pic that you want in MidJourney.